this trip, we're taking you to Tham Phra Waterfall, locating in Phu War Wildlife Sanctuary in Bueng Province. The only way to get to Tham Phra Waterfall is by the boat, taking around 5 minutes to arrive to the destination. Along the way, we saw such beautiful scenery. The best time to visit Tham Phra Waterfall is during rainy season from July to early October. It is open for visitors every day from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And now we're arriving at the pier. We need to walk 300 meters to get to the destination. The waterbed can be really slippery because it's covered with algae. The local recommendation is for you to wear the sock to help and prevent the slipping. We visited at the end of October and it hasn't been rain for more than 3 weeks. The water level was low, but there was still enough for the kids to play in. This place is so unique and so much fun because it had a natural water slide.
This is อะไรตันช่องไม่ไหล
Tara, what did you like the most at Tham Phra Waterfall?
I like the slide.
Really? And how was the water?
It's nice and cool.
To me, this place was so fascinating and I didn't know that such a place existed in Thailand. It was hot, but the coolness from the water made it refreshing. We hope you enjoy our journey. Till then, ขอบคุณค่ะ and สวัสดีค่ะ